guys, kaise ho? Elaunaru, hope everyone is doing great. Today starting my vlog from the gym. Gym is going great. Today's chest workout, which is one of my favorite workouts, and I'm killing it. Next level killing ho raha. Today I think I'm gonna burn close to 1000 calories. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Excuse me for this background noise. This is how it's gonna be when you're at the gym. I just hope we don't get any copyright. Nacho, switch it off. Switch it off. Good. Switch it on. Good. Switch it off. Switch it off. First stage to become a biker. Okay, off कर दो. Off कर दो. Enough. चलो. Once again, our room is occupied. How do I sit and edit my videos? I have a lot of work to do now. Typist ऐसा मार रहा बैठ के सुबह से फटा.
That's my work. Good morning.
This is my work. You threw my mouse.
I don't throw anybody's things.
Just
Okay?
ऐसा कर देती side को फट.
Side को कर देती. Yes, I don't throw things.
It's okay. You're a Mac user. I'll respect that.
Oh,
Oh, by the way,
if I
new
was
cup.
not a, yeah, if I was not
My
a-
dear new cup, I got it. But it is too huge, I'm feeling now. Once I put a lot of coffee in it, it feels too heavy. By the way, we have something really interesting that I need to unbox once again. Recently, Sony India sent me these two things. This is the mic, this is the receiver. If my wife gives me my room, then we can start doing this unboxing.
Can you just give me like 15-20 minutes? I'll finish this call and go. बाद में मुझे थोड़ा calls हैं. Please, वो lighting
अभी
वहाँ पे
mood
ना-
में है. I wanted to finish this. I think this will definitely be of use to me. Let's see. Oh, by the way, I'm happy about something else. You know what? My hair is back. Somehow, I don't know what's happening with my hair.
तो टकलू हो गया क्या?
नहीं, बीच में चले गया. Like before going to Ladakh, my friend saw me and said, "Dude, something is happening to your hair. You need to go get it checked with a dermatologist." But trust me, again it'll go back. Some hormonal changes होता है, especially because I keep working out and all that. When I try to achieve my fitness goals and all that, that is the time slowly my hair fall starts. अभी last couple of days I stopped working out. I stopped my diet and all that. I'm not in a caloric deficit right now, so I think it is back. Feeling good. Okay, Naisha, you can start going to school now. You know all the colors. Seriously, she knows all the colors now. What color is this? White. Okay, put it. Okay, what color is this? Black. What color is this, Naisha? Pink. Put it. What color? Purple. What is this color? Huh? What is yellow? She says Lolo. What is it? Okay, want a punch? Okay. This? Boo. Good.
To complete our work on time and
Literally
I have to
3
give
hours
dedicated
work.
amount of time to their work.
Still
And
working.
the work gets on.
I mean, you can work, no problem, but I need my room, dude. What is this, Naisha? Interviews चल रहा. Next level interviews.
Other than if the offices start and then So do you have an opportunity in editing right now?
Yes, we do, but I think you're.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Naisha, come, let's vlog. Let's have fun, dude. What are you doing? तू वो iPad छोड़ यार. Did I get an iPad for myself or you? Day and night iPad. Okay, so Sony India, thank you so much for sending me these two. This is the mic which goes on. There's a lavalier mic or lapel mic with whatever you want to call it. I think it comes with a 3.5mm. Let's open it and check it out. But yeah, usually you plug this near a collar or you can place it anywhere where you want to capture good audio. This one is a receiver that goes on the camera, or I think that's a cylindrical looking mic. It's a stereo mic for sure. There are 2 inputs to it. They also supply it with a nice dead cat. Not a dead cat, but this is a sponge, just a windscreen. That should keep all the away. You can just hook it up over here. Now I properly officially look like a newsreader. Second thing, this is the Sony ECM W2BT. The moment you open the box, you are greeted with a no, not at all beautiful, but once again, an all-in-one. So much of instruction manuals. What, Sony? Then you have once again a wind socket. This is not a wind. This is a proper dead kitten. I don't know if it is correct, but literally it is called a dead kitten. 3.5mm to 3.5mm wire. Then a USB cable, and there is the receiver itself. It is inside a nice Sony bag. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver. You know, this reminds me of some Telugu movie. Akasham Yerraga Undi. Wherever you want to capture the audio, this goes there. For example, this should be on me. I think this one has a built-in mic in itself. Oh yes, you see this tiny hole in the center? That is a mic. So you don't need a separate mic for it. You can directly put this itself and start talking. You can plug in a 3.5mm mic. Okay, already I think the mic is set up, dude. It was so simple to set up. All I did is I just slid this directly into the camera. There's no external wire connection, all that. And I'm directly talking from this unit. So if I have a shotgun microphone, I'll have to directly talk into it, and if I go away from it, the audio volume is going to reduce. But with this, it doesn't matter how far I go, where I turn, my audio signal is going to be perfect. And the best part is I can literally talk from here. Looks funny, but there are a lot of uses for it. For example, I can put the camera over there, almost like 7 or 8 feet from here, and I can maybe explain about how the interior of the car feels right now. The range is literally 600 feet. We don't need that much of range. Now, just for a test, I want to remove this lapel mic. I will directly talk into the transmitter and see how it changes. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, now we are live through the transmitter. Hello, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great. But definitely it's gonna be weird if I hold the camera like this and a mic in my hand and walk around like this. You know what? I'm planning to go out. There's a beautiful weather outside, nice and cloudy. I'm gonna take the bike out, and this time it is not going to be just a motor vlog. We are going to capture the beautiful street wind's amazing exhaust note. Chalo, let me set this mic on the bike. Once again, back to my favorite places in the house, the garage, especially the bike garage. Though this doesn't look that beautiful, that garage looks amazing. Pergola, sorry. Proper coffee shop feels. I'll be directly putting the transmitter somewhere. Where do I put it? It's got a clip system. I think I can put it to the number plate, but risky. I'm not sure if it's going to capture that clearly when the bike is moving, but let's try. I'll put some 3M tape. Kind of flop हो गया मेरा plan. Thing is the gain is at 10 plus 10 dB. I have to reduce it to 0. This is what I forgot. Almost 26 minutes of footage waste. Charan, हमारा EV boy, is charging his car over here. This is the electric point, fast charger. It seems 30 minutes में it is gonna be 80% charge, which is pretty good, yaar. This is somewhere near Konsu, Jubilee Hills. I don't know the exact location. Anyways, nowadays you can find all this on Google as well. But yeah, charging going good. It seems 500 rupees for half an hour, 80% charge.
It's
Basically 16 rupees per minute. At Tata, 6 rupees per minute.
This is also charging at 25 kilowatts only. Even though this is rated 60 watts,
Okay.
the car
So maybe
is
it depends on the car as well. Maybe it's drawing less power.
Maybe this is limited to 25 kilowatts max.
Maybe you need a Jaguar. to draw 60 watts from it. Okay, I'm blessing you with a Jaguar, not that one, but the electric one. Blessing you and I'll give you good blessings. Yes, let's go, and again I'll have to record that. Basically, I got a Sony wireless mic.
So, Binda, chip.
No, not this one. It's Sony wireless mic. I wanted to capture the Street Twins' beautiful exhaust note. I put it, but it is in plus 10 dB.
More
It's all distorted now. So I'll have to again put it in 0 dB while going. I'll do it.
Editing.
Difficult. If it is low, you can increase it. If it is already high, if it is distorted already, then you can't decrease it.
There are frequencies.
Sound. Ordering this cake at Console is definitely so irritating here. Again, plan is flopped. It seems we have to place the order online because of COVID. For everything they're giving this reason, dude. So they gave me a visiting card where I have a website. I have to go online and then place an order from here. This is all for customized cake. And Pooja wants a customized cake only. She wants a star-shaped cake only. That to blueberry or red berry, I don't even know. I'll do one thing. I'll send this number to Pooja. I'll ask her to take care of this. Okay, we are here at this place called Cravery. Wait, we have interesting content here. I thought I'll not vlog here, but we have Chetlu Akulu. What did you order, Charan?
Rosemary cooler.
Cooler, okay. Rosemary nante sedu.
Oh, time.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, buddy? వాడు కాదరా స్టోవ్ మీద మిగిలిపోయిందంటే ఇట్లా చీపురు
We are not dieting. Sir, I am dieting. Diet Coke.
డైటింగ్ అన్నారు
Diet Coke, అదే Diet Coke. నీ నేమ్ ఏంటి తెలుసా? What happened yesterday?
షుగర్
ఆ సిరప్ ముంచండి రా సిరప్.
లేదురా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ రాసింది షుగర్ ఫ్రీ.
You know what it is? Yesterday someone gave me a vanilla Coke. I said this is amazing. I tried it before. I started having it. I gave reactions on camera. How amazing and all. And then I realized there's sugar in it.
లేదు దీంట్లో లేదు.
Raspberry vasana. Filled with syrup.
రాస్బెరీ కదా
We'll try the chetlu.
Raspberry and
This was born in a forest. Gaddi vasana వస్తుంది. Okay guys, I'm back home, but the reason you're seeing this frame immediately after that particular frame is because this is the culprit. I can't end bashing this left, right and center because this doesn't let me do it. Unfortunately, there is no proper competition to the GoPro. I'm gonna stop using this. This is gonna be my secondary camera and it is high time now I invest in a GoPro 9. GoPro 10 is coming up soon in the next 1 or 2 months, but till then we don't have any GoPro. I think it is time to invest in a GoPro 9. Let's do that. So wait for the unboxing of a GoPro 9 soon. And oh yes, talking about this receiver and all that, anyone who is looking for a good microphone, a reliable, a powerful and a sturdy microphone, that too from a reputable brand like Sony, I think this is the one to go. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment, do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Oh, by the way, next vlog, cake thing is finally sorted. Once again, we're not able to celebrate Naisha's birthday, and we are once again planning a staycation. I mean, what else can we do? But this time, it is not just me, Pooja, and Naisha. We are planning a proper staycation with mom, dad, Pooja's mom, dad and brother. So it's going to be a safe and tiny gathering. Unfortunately, we couldn't celebrate the first birthday as well. So at least second birthday, we don't want to stay at home. We want to go out. So then, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.